Hello dear friends, welcome back to our channel Vage Academy of Mathematics. In our fundamentals video about number series, we have seen all the tests one by one like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, everything we saw, and also we saw about the combinations of these operations. And finally, after completing all these tests, I gave you something called DOD, which is nothing but difference of difference. We didn't see any explanation about the DOD test, and there I assured that we will be separately seeing about the DOD using some problem. Here this session we are about to see about DOD, difference of difference, using a problem, and let us see how it will be used through this problem. Let's go. We have our question. Let's see the numbers here. 9, 14, 22, 36, 59, 94 and a question mark. So if we see the numbers itself, it is very clear that these numbers are going to increase, and that means this is an increasing sequence. And at the same time, if we see the growth of these numbers, it doesn't appear to be very drastic. The growth is seen in a very slower way. It is very smooth, and that means we can try with our first operation, addition itself. That is, we will try to see whether we are able to observe any pattern through addition. Let's check it, okay? Yeah. So our first term is 9, second term is 14. So that means 9 plus what number will give us 14? We should think it. So it's very easy. 9 plus 5 will give 14. Yeah, we will continue then. 14, 22. So here how much to be added? 14 and 22. I can just subtract also and see 22 minus 14. This will be 8. So that means here I must do plus 8. Yeah. Next is 22 to 36 I should move. Here how much is to be added? So I can subtract and see 36 minus 22. 6 minus 2, this will give me 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So plus 14 should be done. Next 36 to 59. Here how much is to be added? If we see 36, 59, 9 minus 6 is 3 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 23. So 36 plus 23 will give us 59. And last one more is here. So here we must do 59 to 94. So that means how much more to be added? So if we see here, we'll do a small calculation in our mind itself. So 59 to 94 is what we need to find the addition, how much is to be added. We'll do it like this. 59 to 60. 59 plus 1 will give us 60. And 60 to 94, we will think that way. So 60 to 94, we need to add 34. Is it or not? So 59 to 61. And 60 to 94 it is 34. That means overall we need to do plus 35 with 59, so that we will be getting 94. Very simple. So now we have done the addition process, and we will now see whether we are able to observe any pattern with these numbers. So if we see by looking itself, we are not able to get a definite pattern here. So this is the situation for us to think about DOD, I mean difference of difference. Like you may have a doubt. See, usually we try with our addition, and if this addition with which we are not able to get a pattern, we will move on to the next operation, that is multiplication. That is how usually we did our problems so far. But here see, our addition is not working, and at the same time, see the size of the numbers. They are also not much drastic. They are not increasing in a very higher way, drastic way. So we have got two problems here. That is, we don't have a drastic change, and at the same time, we are not able to get a pattern with our addition. So this is the situation for us to remember this DOD. So now let us see what is the DOD. See here, 5, 8, 14, these are all going to be the first level difference. So let me note it here, first level difference. You may ask why it is first level difference. See, it is very clear. This plus 5, we are doing 9 plus 5 is what is this 14. But think like this, how this 5 is obtained? It's simply the difference between these two terms. I mean 14 and 9. See here, 14 minus 9 is what is this 5. Then 22 minus 14 is this 8. 36 minus 22 is this 14, and so on. So that means what we have obtained here so far is nothing but the first level difference. Okay. So with this first level difference is what we are not able to get a definite pattern, and hence what we try to do is we will find the difference of difference. That is, with this sequence we will once again try to find the second difference, I mean the second level difference. This is our first level difference we got from the question, and from here once again we will try to get the difference of these numbers and we will record it, and that is what we call it as difference of difference, which is nothing but DOD. Okay, let's see what happens if we do that. So right, yeah, 5, 8. So now I need to find the difference between these numbers, or I can even say 5 plus what number will give me 8. Okay, so I need to subtract now 8 minus 5. So do that, we will be getting plus 3. Yeah, let's continue. Here 8, 14. How much is to be added? For which we need to do 14 minus 8. So 14 minus 8 will be plus 6. Yeah, next 14 to 23. How much is to be added? We need to add 9. So plus 9. So that is 23 minus 14 is what is this plus 9. And next one more we have 23 to 35. Here we need to add plus 12. It's very easy for us to say plus 12. So now what we have recorded here is what we call it as the second level difference, and that is what is the difference of difference. Now if you see this DOD, difference of difference, check whether you are able to follow a pattern or not. So this is the way we need to do this DOD and try to find whether we are able to form a pattern or not. Okay, so clearly if you see these numbers DOD, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. So it is nothing but, they are nothing but the numbers multiples of 3, or I can even say the numbers which are coming in 3 tables. Very simple for us to see, right? So 3, 6, 9, 12 we have, and this is how this is going, and with this is what we will be able to get the first level difference, and with this is what we will be able to get the answer to this question, right? So that means now this question mark is my missing number. Now we are left with 94. That was the last term. With this 94 we need to add some number, so that 94 but plus that number will give the answer to our question. But again, to find this number we need how much is to be added here in this second level. This is what is more important. Okay, and that is how we trace and get this second level difference. Fine, I've got 3, 6, 9, 12. This is very simple for us to say. They are nothing but 3 tables numbers. So this is 3 ones are, this is 3 twos are, this is 3 threes are, this is 3 fours are. Is it or not? So that means what should be our next number, which will be 3 fives are, which is 15. Very simple. And now trace what difference will come here in this first level difference. See, 35 is there, and I need to add 15 here to get this difference. Is it or not? So do 35 plus 15, so that we will be getting what number will come here. So 35 plus 15 will give us 50, and that's really easy now to get the final answer to this question. Now do 94 plus 50. Now this 94 plus 50 will give us the final answer. So what is 94 plus 50? This will be 144, and that is going to be the answer to this question. And so now clearly remember when to use this difference of difference. There are 2 conditions. One is when our sequence is not having a drastic increase, drastic change. This is point 1. And next is when we feel that our first level difference that we are taking through addition process I am telling. Okay, this is what is our first level difference. When this first level difference is not forming a definite pattern, and at the same time our first condition, when we don't have a drastic change, in these 2 cases, under these 2 cases, we will have to try finding this difference of difference. Okay, and I will suggest you to prefer addition and then immediately try with this test difference of difference, because as far as UGC NET paper 1 is concerned, you can expect more problems of this type more than multiplication or division type. Is the point clear? So that means focus on giving a preference to first step addition, and then immediately come to a second test to be difference of difference, because majority of the questions from UGC NET will be based on this type, and that's the reason So practice well, you follow this. This would again be useful for you to solve problems from number series. Soon, catch you soon with your other videos, next videos. See you there. Thank you.